So I was bored last night and once again went into the rabbit hole of poisonous plants. This is not the first time I've done it, this will not be the last time I'll do it. This is the time I'm making videos on the topic because they are fascinating. Side note, this is my Deadly Florals skirt from Kern. She's here on TikTok, and like all of these flowers on the print are poisonous and they're really cool. Her skirts are fantastic. I have two from her. They've got pockets. This is not like an ad or like promotion or anything. I just really like her skirts. This is not like sponsored, but her skirts are great. You should check them out. I'll tag her in the comments. But yeah, these are all poisonous flowers on the skirt and it's just great. Anyways, let's talk about Belladonna, or Deadly Nightshade. So, Belladonna is a member of the Solanaceae family, a lot of which are poisonous, such as the nightshade, but also includes things like potatoes and tomatoes. Which, fun fact, if, in certain conditions, can also be poisonous. So, all parts of the nightshade plant are poisonous when ingested. However, the berries tend to be, like, more poisonous, so don't eat the berries. It's not a good time. So, nightshade contains the poison, a compound that messes with the nerve endings, specifically in muscle cells, more specifically involuntary muscles. So, like, with your arm and hand, you can voluntarily move your muscles to like move your fingers around, but involuntary muscles are things such as like heart muscles and respiratory muscles that you don't consciously control. So those muscles are responsible for like your breathing and the beating of your heart and the movement of blood through your veins. So since your involuntary muscles responsible for lots of rather important bodily functions, since those are no longer working properly, that causes problems. So, symptoms of nightshade poisoning often include irregular and rapid heartbeats due to the heart muscles spazzing out, as well as vomiting, hallucinations, and later death, mostly due to respiratory failure because you're not getting enough oxygen because your lungs and heart aren't working properly. Now, unfortunately, the berries of the nightshade plant tend to taste rather good, so that makes them very attractive to children. If kids are left unsupervised and they find some nice-looking berries in the woods, they're like, oh sweet, these look good, and then they try them and they taste good, and goodbye, little Timmy. Another symptom of belladonna poisoning is pupil dilation due to the involuntary muscles being messed with. So in the Renaissance era in Italy, large doe-eyed people, or like women specifically, having large doe eyes with large pupils were considered to be very attractive. So in order to achieve that effect, women put nightshade extract as eye drops, so they would like take the extract, drop it in their eye a little bit, and then that would make their pupils dilate and they would appear more attractive. However, since it is a deadly poison, it almost always caused them to go blind after a while. Yeah. Poisonous plants are absolutely fascinating, and I will be dropping more videos on this topic. And go check out Maya Kern's skirts, they're super cool.